Ooh.
you gonna hit me. Like, you gonna hit me. I'm talking about like sure.
It's nice to be having y'all, because I'm probably gonna run out of gas. So well, I gotta go. Gotta go mission. Just cruising, sipping gas. Hey, how y'all doing? That was a little rude. At least give me 3 feet. Damn, bro. It is what it is. Before I left, my old lady was like, let's obey traffic laws. Even though, like, we fucking riding on something that's totally fucking illegal. Didn't do it. Yard sale. Okay. Hold on. Oh, scooter missile. Hey, you finna leave me. We racing still? Okay. It's the Fasta channel. Y'all see one of the Fasta babies. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, shit. Scraping my corns and all. Baby, you cheating, baby. You cheating. You cheating, baby. You supposed to let that win. You cheating. Hey. I love you. We still racing. I'm losing and I'm tired. Hold up, baby. Stop. Stop. Good job, baby. Oh. You know, this is just not fair. You're just bumping on smooth. Hit the spray. Hit the spray. Oh, look at that. We going now, huh? We racing now, huh? Woo, I'm winning. Woo, I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm winning.
Recording.
It's Sunday, race day, shakedown day, booty shaking day, whatever you want to call it. In the truck, headed to go get the missile. Maybe the R6, maybe the Jigs, I don't know, man. I just want to get some shakedown testing done. Supposedly, OSW is having a battle of the brands, Kawasaki versus Suzuki. If y'all ain't doing nothing, I don't know. I don't even know the date, but y'all want to check that out. I definitely know I'll be there. Battle of the brands. I might bring a brand that ain't even listed. You know what I'm saying? Something that I know. So we're headed to a friend's house. Get the bikes loaded. It's a lot faster than it was. I guess I just need me a 1000, man. I'm just tired of playing around with the 600s. Not really. I love playing around with 600s. You can max these 600s out. Unlike everything else around here, can't max that out. I know some guys that won't even dare to max out a 250. I guess it's all rider preference, experience, or whatever that is. Y'all can see this side of me. Y'all can't see that side. Gotta fix that part on the camera. Don't worry, I'm still new. Matter of fact, this probably won't even go on YouTube because I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just getting there in camera, start recording. I don't know. I'll tell you like this. Once the camera breaks, y'all probably won't see no more videos. Y'all ain't gotta worry about Fasta ever again. Ever again. Unless I get some more money, and a stimmy, couple stimmies here and there, you know what I'm saying? Your boy got a camera. What y'all burning? It don't smell polite. What's up, big dog? I had a homeboy that had a car like that. If you watching, Troy. Oh, we got a little corners. 40 miles an hour. Done did a lot going on. I done did a lot today. I got a lot accomplished. Oh, I got the stance. Yeah, I did a lot today. Got a lot accomplished. Didn't do everything that I wanted, but it is what it is. I used to laugh at guys that was talking about a stabilizer for the R6 and for like the R1 or something. I get it now. So this right here, that is scary. I can't even do that on my Jixer if I wanted to. This right here, just that little bit of shit. One more time. Phew, shit, man. Spin that thing. Oh, bounce that thing. Okay. Y'all be the judge on this. We gonna get real close. Hey, I'm getting the hit, right? Yeah, you better give me the hit. Oh, okay. That what you want to do? Uh-huh. This my shit. All the girls can't get like this. Go. Oh, hey, what the fuck was that shit? Well, gotta be able to get it quick. Even
Recording.
Dino action, yeah. Got Mr. No Beard, Wolfpack Racing. Got Mr. red beard out here too. Got no beard and red beard. Get this glove together. Okay. Yes, we squidding it. Heads up, yeah. Yep, that was a bad one. Went straight to the sky with that bitch. Went straight to the sky. Oh, we had to put that clutch in. We grabbing everything in they mama. Straight in the air, baby. Straight in the air.
Look. No heat.
Yeah.
Cool.
You like that?
So you see the straight in there.